how to overcome the depression. How to overcome the depression. Depression, I think, is it's a famous word in Bangladesh, especially for young generation. A lot of people say, I am in depression. Don't disturb me, please, I'm in depression. Is it right? Yes. Depression is a very famous word in Bangladesh, and it's connected with generation, young generation. So today we'll discuss about on this matter, how to overcome the depression according to Quran and Sunnah, inshallah. There, my brothers and sisters, depression is exam. Depression is exam from your Lord. And sometimes this is a mercy, and sometimes this is like ghazab, wrath. Sometimes this is rahmah, mercy, blessing and bounties. And sometimes this is ghazab. How to justify? Is this mercy or ghazab? How to know? I have a depression, you have a depression. How you justify this is this mercy or ghazab? How to justify? Okay. If you have good connection with your Lord, if you have good connection with Quran, if you have good connection with your Prophet, then the depression is mercy. This is mercy. If you have good connection with your Lord, and if you do not have good connection with your Lord, with Salah, with Namaz, with Hajj, with Quran, with Prophet, then the depression is wrath, is ghadab from your Lord. Understood? Okay. So if we have good connection with our Lord, then if we have depression, then this is the mercy, blessing and bounties from our Lord. And if we do not have any connection with our Lord, then this is the ghazab from our Lord. So we have to be connected with our Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah grant us. Say Ameen. Okay. So how to overcome? Number one tips, if you want to overcome the depression, number one tips is most important. Listen to me very carefully. If you want to overcome the depression, then you have to believe on your destiny. Believe on your taqdeer. Destiny means taqdeer. Taqdeer. Believe on your taqdeer. If you can put your trust on your taqdeer, then everything is easy. If is it bad or good, doesn't matter. You will just say, it's written on my taqdeer, so it has to be happen. And it will happen must. So number one is believe on your destiny or taqdeer. You have to believe. And Allah said the same thing in Quran. وَإِن يَمْسَسْكَ اللَّهُ بِضُرٍّ فَلَا كَاشِفَ لَهُ إِلَّا هُ وَإِن يُرِدْكَ بِخَيْرٍ فَلَا رَادَّ لِفَضْلِهِ. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala should touch you with adversity, there is no repeller to expect of Him. And if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala touch you with any good things, there is no remover of it. Subhanallah. If Allah wants something good, then it will happen must. If Allah wants something bad, then it will happen must. That means everything is written on our taqdeer, so it will happen must. If you can believe it, then everything easy for you. Everything is easy for you, inshallah. So number one tips is, if you wanna overcome the depression, then you have to believe on your taqdeer. Number one. And number two is keep reforming about your Lord. That means you have to belong the positive thinking about your Lord. Don't say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala only gives me pain. I'm the only one person in this world. No, don't say like this. Keep reforming about your Lord. And you have to belong the positive idea about your Lord. Inshallah? Inshallah. Number two. Number three is, it's very important, try to listen to me. And that is, remember the danger of akhirah rather than this world. And please listen to me. Remember the danger of akhirah rather than this world. Okay, let me clear it. I have depression, you have depression, and this is dunya. This is dunya. Okay, just answer me. The life of this world, is it long, or life of hereafter is long? Hereafter life is long. It's very long. يَوْمَ يَرَوْنَهَا لَمْ يَلْبَثُوا إِلَّا عَشِيَّةً أَوْ ضُحَاهَا. When we will go to the hereafter life, then we will think, oh my Lord, عَشِيَّةً أَوْ ضُحَاهَا. I was in the world like on morning or on evening. How much long is it? Can you feel it? Very long. So remember the danger of the akhirah rather than this world. That means the danger of the world, the danger of dunya is very, very short. And the danger of the akhirah is very, very long. So when you have depression, just try to think like this. The danger of akhirah is very painful than this world. So number 3 tips is remember the danger of akhirah rather than this world. Number 3. And number 4, and that is, if you have depression, like, you do not have money. You do not have money. You do not have iPhone. You do not have R15 bike. You do not have camera. Okay. The Prophet said, "Unzuru ila man huwa asfala minkum, wa la tanzuru ila man huwa a'la minkum." Look at those who are lower than you, and don't look at those who are higher than you. It's a very important message. Look at those who are lower than you. Like, you have phone, they have no phone. You have parents, they have no parents. You have cycle, they have no cycle. You have leg, even they have no leg. Think like this. Look at those who are lower than you. Don't look at those who are higher than you. This is very important message. If we think like this, then depression will not able to touch us. Then depression will be not able to touch us. So we have to look at those who are lower than us, and we don't have to look at those who are higher than us. Understood? Okay. And number 5, and that is last. And that is, if you have depression, never lose hope and never be frustrated. Just try to read the Surah Duha. What is the name of the surah? Surah Duha. وَالضُّحَى وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. A lot of time you say, no one loves me. No one loves me. Just feel it. Allah loves you. Allah loves you. If Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is with you, there is no one. You don't need anyone. You don't need anyone if Allah loves you. مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. Your Lord has not forgiven. Your Lord has not forgotten you. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى. You have nothing in this world. You will have lot of things in akhirah. Subhanallah. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى. This is the last ayah. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى. I have lost everything in my life. I have lost my mother. I have lost my love. I have lost my everything in my life. Allah said no. Allah said no. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى. If you have lost everything in your life, then never lose hope and never be frustrated. Just put your trust on your Lord. Indeed and verily, your Lord will give you something that will definitely make yourself happy. Definitely make yourself happy. So we have to put our trust on our Lord. Okay, I repeat again. Number 1 is we have to believe on our taqdeer. Number 2 is keep reforming about your Lord. Number 3 is remember the danger of akhirah rather than this world. Number 4 is look at those who are lower than you and don't look at those who are higher than you. And number 5, and that is last, if you have depression, read the Surah read the Surah MashaAllah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us to apply these tips. Ameen. Wa akhir da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.